we got a pretty special gift from the Oklahoma boys.
Can I get my heated grips done and show that we actually got the right parts?
Somebody not happy.
They got me.
Oh.
You got that recording. That was the worst.
Supply tank cover. I reckon what you want to know to what I'm doing here.
It went off the rail.
It went off the rail, yeah. Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker. And you know I'm here to stay.
Let's go.
Howdy folks, welcome back. We're in the Bogey Biker shop. We got Jason here, and we have his 2022, right?
Street Glide ST.
2022 Street Glide ST. Do we have a name for it yet?
No.
Are we gonna name it? Or are we gonna have a poll to name it? You get a lot of comments every time you pull up somewhere. Did you read something?
Yeah. It's
So-
a noisy sucker.
So we gotta come up with a name for the ST here. So put down in the comments what's a good name for Jason's Street Glide ST that's all juiced up with the 475 cam. What else did we do?
Barnett clutch packs, air breather, gutted catalytic converters, tab performance BAM sticks.
Yeah.
She's loud.
She's loud. She sounds good. So today we are Jason's finally giving in and gonna put heated grips. We finally got him wearing a full face helmet in the wintertime, which I think he likes it more than he'd like to admit. Would that be true?
Well, riding over here, my face was numb,
Yeah.
and I didn't wear it.
He used to be a helmetless guy, and I didn't make him, but I got with his mother and convinced him to wear the beanie helmet at least, and now he wears a full face. He has been the last couple of rides, as you
It's cold.
have seen. Yeah, it's cold though. So anyway, we're gonna put heated grips on the Street Glide ST. So let's get to it.
Let's see, twist grip sensor, remove the surface movement, access the 6-way twist grip. Get the left side heated grip, long wire harness, 15. I don't see 15, oh here we go. Do not cut any wires leading to the green connector or the twist grip sensor. Cut off the black heat shrink tubing only. There we go.
So there is a connector in there.
There's got to be a connector in there.
Talking about this right here.
That's what I'm thinking, right in here. I just got to cut that heat shrink off.
Oh, that little section probably is what that's for. We love instructions.
Cut off the black heat shrink tubing only. The connector. Hate instructions. Yeah, be sure to catch me cutting my fingers off here.
Yeah. Hey, what's that? I didn't know anybody was here. Did you walk down here? Oh no, you rode your bike. Yeah.
It was chilly too.
Yeah. Let me show you what we got in the mail. Oh yeah, pretty special gift from the Oklahoma boys. One for me and one for Jay. As Bogey Biker Twisted in Texas 2024 to commemorate the first annual Twisted in Texas event. You got one too. That'd be a good wall hanger.
Shoot ya.
That's
cool. Thank you, Jerry.
Appreciate it. Oh, this one's, he's got notes on the back.
Oh, golly, I didn't even see that.
Says, thanks for a memorable ride at the first ever Twisted in Texas. So glad we finally got to hear you bend them guitar strings in person. Thanks for your friendship. Jerry Garnett, Alva, Oklahoma. Double hashtags on there.
The hashtags.
Thank you, Jerry. Appreciate it. I appreciate your friendship too, man. Yeah, thank you, Jerry. That's pretty special. We'll find a good spot for it.
Every video I've watched has 2 plug and plays on this.
Is your ignition switch on?
This one has
He doesn't ever.
this one has a 3-way deal with a fuse block, and I can't get that fuse block down through the damn handlebar.
Yeah, you know damn good where you're going. This all this plastic's going to come on.
Yeah, I know all that's gotta come off. That's not my block.
Oh, you're talking
That
about
won't go through the damn
I
bar.
got what you're saying now.
Like, why is that not?
Why does it have to? They don't unplug.
No, none of it does.
Yeah, Marvin showed up. Marvin,
Give me my
you're,
glasses on.
yeah, you got lots of nice compliments about your bike,
Oh, thank you.
and you put on the front suspension since then, right? It wasn't
Did.
on.
Front cartridges, yes.
Yeah.
And really like
Big
it.
difference.
Yeah.
I'm ready to get work on the Road King. You gonna help me?
I'd love to.
I want to kind of make it look like yours.
Cut it.
And
Big deal. Cut it. It's all
if you hadn't gone over to my brother's YouTube channel to check out his new song, Tickfall River Blues, go check that out.
Yep.
Yeah, he's got a YouTube
I
channel.
knew that, but I didn't know it was on there.
We just posted it.
I
Yeah.
just put it on
We
there.
did it. Yeah. So
Yep.
yeah, we're pretty excited about it.
I am. I'm really excited about it.
Yeah.
Thanks to Bogey Biker Productions.
Big staff of people. None of the videos show, like, you got to cut this off to get the wires through the bar, so nothing we can find shows it. So we're just gonna start taking stuff apart, see what happens. Is that the plan, Jason? Somebody not happy.
I'm really glad you put that.
My Fraction Supply tank cover. This is my Christmas gift to myself.
Supply tank cover.
They said that one's buried and hard to find.
Do we think that wire runs down on the outside? Like, you just want to set up even too? How many badass bikers does it take to install heated grips? One,
We're all watching videos on
2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm acting in the supervisor.
Are you, sir?
Good, how are you?
Supervisory capacity.
I think I'm gonna jump into that very thing. No.
Then, like he said, you got to look a little further because there's something else up in
This
there.
is the one with the little.
In that video, he's saying the two wires are both on this side that hook together.
It's the wire that he run from his. He had already run this wire down.
Oh,
through
you
his
fast
handlebar.
forward and see that?
It's supposed to plug right from here.
Shows this.
I didn't even take any of that. I was just like,
Mhm.
for your first time.
But I have no plug that connects to this.
Alright, so what's the deal, Jason?
Alright, every video I've watched, there's two plugs up front of the bike. There.
Quiet on the set.
Right here is the hot plug, and here's the crossover plug. And every video I've watched has two wires out of the heated grips that come down. One plugs into the hot, one plugs into the crossover, and you're done. This kit I got from Harley has 3 naked wires, a fuse that won't go through the handlebars unless you cut all the wire. And this one is designed to go under the tank, to the battery, and hook it up that way. The guy at Harley told me this was the plug and play one, and whenever I get here, it is not. So, we're gonna punt. I don't wanna pull all the tank and the seat and have wires running all underneath everything, so I'm gonna maybe go see what we can do.
Test the supervisor what he thinks.
Well, I think you just need to find that hot wire. And then to figure out. Well,
That was pretty good.
I'm a songwriter, not an electrician.
Dang old Porky's butt.
Just take that dang old wire, take a little oil, take a little oil, did like that right there, man. Talk about dang old.
Yeah, man, I tell you what, that dang old onion soup powder, man, you just put that a little bit old that, you don't need no grilled onions.
No, yeah.
Yeah. Me and Jay have been in the supervisory role.
Yeah. That's where we're best suited.
I reckon what you want to know to what I'm doing here. I reckon I'll go on and tell you.
Well, if y'all tuned in to see a finished product of heated grips, you're in the wrong spot. we don't think they gave him the right ones. Is that right, Jason?
They won't go through the clamshell on handlebars.
Yeah.
It ain't nothing right.
Yeah.
We ain't messing with it.
Yeah. Okay, it's a couple of days later, and the heated grip install was a swing and a miss. They gave Jason the wrong parts, so he has since gone and got the right parts. So we'll try to get those installed here in a day or two. It's winter is set in Central Texas, so may not be doing much riding here for a little bit, but who knows? It could be 60 degrees this weekend. We'll see. But me and Mrs. Bogey, say hi, Mrs. Bogey.
Hello.
We're headed over to our annual Rusty Bolts party. I guess it's not really a Christmas party because we're mid-January, but so we are gonna go hang out with a bucket of bolts. Let's come along for the ride. Well, we got a room full of rusty bolts here. I don't think, have we ever defined what the wives of rusty bolts are called? The only thing that comes to mind is screws or nuts, and I don't think either of those are appropriate. So.
I got a lot of subscribers since the video. We released the video. I'm sure it's all Bogey Biker Nation folks, and I appreciate all the support, the positive comments. We're gonna try to get some more original music out, some covers. I gotta figure out how to edit them.
You come on
I still
over.
don't know how to do that without having to send them to him to do it. So once we get that figured out, we should be able to put out a lot more stuff. So thank you all. I appreciate it.
Good stuff. Go subscribe to his channel. J. Jeffrey
Thank you.
254. Jason and Mrs. Jason. Now, Jason, this is the ending of the video where we try to put on your heated grip. So I've already kind of explained.
Can I get my heated grips done and show that we actually got the right parts?
Yeah. All right, Warren, I'm about to do to Tim what I always do to you. I'm gonna put you on the spot. So this is Tim. This is Shirley's brother and a viewer and a future Rusty Bolt, right?
That's right.
Tim's been looking at a what, a ultra limited or road ultra limited?
Waiting for the guy to get a title.
Yeah.
I saw an old man in a pawn shop digging out a gun. His eyes told me a story about all the things he's done. Well, his face looked like a road map, all the miles he has seen. Every line led to a place with many in between. Then he walked out to that Cadillac, one bullet in his jeans. Oh, I never thought that 38 would end up in my hand. Then I found him underneath the bridge where the Tickfaw River ran. It's been 10 years this November. I remember what he said. Take this gun before he pulled the trigger by his head. Well, I turned back to the highway with that pistol in my boot. Left the old man lying with the Tickfaw River blues. Oh, it's time to tell his story. I got nothing left to lose. Oh, I never thought that 38 would end up in my hand. Then I found him underneath the bridge where the Tickfaw River ran.
This Rusty Bolt party's going off the rails here.
it went off the
It
rail.
went off the rail, yeah. Now the old man's in the mirror, it's clearer than before. The Tickfall River's calling me, to that I can't ignore. All my memories run shotgun, led me to that riverbank as it all became so clear. I slung that pistol to the bottom, watched it disappear. Oh, I never thought that 38 would ever leave my hand. Then I left it underneath the bridge where the Tickfall River ran. I saw an old man in a pawn shop picking out a gun. His eyes told me a story about all the things he's done. All right, I got all the Rusty Bolton family here. 2024 is a great year for us, and in 2025 we're just getting started. So appreciate y'all watching. We'll see you next time. I say, after I say, after I say thanks for watching, y'all are gonna loud and proud say, we'll see you next time.
See you next time. We're not
What
leaving.
are the chances we can do? Huh?
We're not leaving.
We'll see. We'll see you next.
We'll
See you.
We'll see you next time. See you next time.
See you next time.
We'll see you next time. After I say thank y'all for watching.
We'll see you next time.
That's exactly just like that. Yeah.
Except a little bit lower.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker, and you know I'm here to stay.